Hi foodies! Today I'll show you how to prepare goat meat peppered sauce stew. First, cook your goat meat. Add your maggi, onions, pepper, salt and water. Allow it to cook. To get that peppered sauce vibe, blend your tomatoes, pepper, patache and your onions together. Add your vegetable oil and blend it with palm oil. Add your blended pepper and tomato mix. Allow it to cook. Add your goat meat broth, maggi, salt and stir. Add your egg, pomo and your ready fried goat meat. Babes, if you cook this one for your partner, im go give you his ATM card asap. Ngwan, bye.